Welcome to my channel, Rainbow Kids TV. Enjoy it and subscribe.
Let's play video.
Friendship's like a recipe, oh so sweet, with special ingredients that can't be beat. First we add some kindness, bright and clear, being friendly and helpful, spreading cheer. Show kindness, trust, and care each day. Mix it all together in a joyful way. Friendship's a treasure so lovely and free, made with love and harmony. Next is empathy, let's lend a hand, understanding feelings, helping them stand. With listening ears, we'll always be near, sharing our hearts, spreading good cheer. Show kindness, trust, and care each day. Mix it all together in a joyful way. Friendship's a treasure so lovely and free, made with love and harmony. Now, for sharing, let's give it a try. Toys and our time, just you and I. Build trust with honesty, true and bright. Keeping our promises feels just right. With acceptance, we love our quirks and more. Each friend is special, that's what we're for. Add some laughter, share joy and fun. In the world of friendship, we've already won. When mistakes happen, let's learn, forgive. Letting go of troubles helps us to live. With support we stand so strong and tall. Together as friends, we can conquer all. Show your loyalty, stand by their side. Through happy moments and the tears we've cried. Friendship's a recipe so sweet and true. With these ingredients, it's made by you.
Thank you for watching Rainbow Kids TV.